Hey, it's Gina from WTI. If you're looking for a great at-home permanent hair dye, then you should check out these ones from Herbatint. I love this because it covered my gray hair so well, and the smell was so neutral, not noxious at all, which I really appreciated. It did not make my scalp itch. I got the color 4N, which is chestnut. I did that because I did have a lot of gray to cover, and you can see what a great job it did. It is pretty close to my natural roots, and that's what I was looking for. I have been getting my hair done at a salon, but I was wanting to go back to doing it myself. So you can see that I had some bleached out with different tints, and it covered it really, really well without turning a weird color. I did do a test strand the day before I did my whole head just to make sure that it would be compatible with the colors I already had, and it was great. So I went ahead and did the whole thing. I did leave the gel just on my roots for 25 minutes, and then I spread it out to the length for the additional 15 minutes. I was a little scared when I started rinsing it out because the water was green, but my hair was not green at all, and it has a really beautiful tint to it. One package was enough just for me to do one application, but I do have longer hair. So depending on how long or thick your hair, you may be able to get 2 applications out of this, but I was only able to get 1. I've gotten so many compliments on my hair, even after doing it myself, which was amazing. And I just really love this hair color from Herbatint. I'm definitely going to continue to use it. And that's my point of view.